Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Bharat Janata Party Meghalaya Hindai kasngi kala pelat pitba yaki matrikam jong kaseng naika Bynta ka election MDC Hagaro Hills Autonomous District Council yaki ni khatnyo Tylli ki matrikam jong kaseng la pelat tau president kaseng uba Ernest Mori ha upestrikam jong kaseng ha bakran shikilat patai kubor uba Ernest ukerpat iki pitba jong karilom garo man aji kersan ya kaseng ka BJP ha kini ka kenti kenam kenyo ya kasen shar ka bakhuj ka baklem thok bria bar ka balat na ka bamsap bampong khamtam hapo kani ka Ghadc.
So today we have called to give the press conference. We'll release the manifesto of the party for the election in the Governance Council 2021. So first of all, I will release us, then we'll go ahead with the program. So this is the manifesto. I released this manifesto of the BJP party today, the 16th March 2021. Seventeen important point of this BJP manifesto for the Ghadc election 2021. Point number 1, BJP will transform Garo Hills Autonomous Council, Ghadc, into a territorial council with more power, more department and direct funding from the center by speeding up the amendment to the 6th schedule in the center. Point number 2, BJP will frame separate rules for the Ghadc. Point number 3, BJP will abolish the non-scheduled areas and empower the traditional bodies to take up local administration, protecting the interests of the people in the scheduled areas. Point number 4, BJP will authorize the local head over the resources and mineral available in their jurisdiction. Point number 5, BJP will empower the people through local self-governance by electing local bodies at the grassroots level under the village council for mass participation in terms of development, upliftment and employment of the local. Number 6, BJP will introduce separate electoral rule in Ghadc. Number 7, BJP will encourage the women of the society to take up more responsibility in the development process and in the local administration of the areas including village level institution. Number 8, BJP will introduce local administrative system under Ghadc to administer the urban areas through duly elected bodies. Number 9, BJP will take up registration of birth and death and the tribal certificate of the scheduled tribe in the Ghadc. Number 10, BJP will introduce online revenue collection system to enhance the working mechanism of the Ghadc. Number 11, BJP will review the Garo customary law as per the need of the people. Mahari and women groups will be consulted as Garo is a matrilineal society. Number 12, BJP will take up primary education, primary health care and improve the education and health care through a local head in Garo Hills. Local language will be encouraged and studies on the 6th schedule will be included in all the syllabus. Point number 13, BJP will introduce community schools, community college and community health care center in Garo Hills through which Numerous job facilities will be created for the young people. Number 14, BGP will generate employment opportunities to sustain the youth. Number 15, BGP will introduce farm, factories and industries according to the ability of the raw material, which will provide job opportunity to the people of Ghadc Hills. Number 16, BGP will cut down collection of taxes by the state government in the scheduled areas and minimize the share given to the state government as it has hampered the council financially. Number 17, BGP will do in-depth study on the government claim lands and return those lands which are not acquired under law. This is the 17th point in this manifesto which we have published in English and in the Ghadc. So here we are having in the Ghadc language also. And this manifesto will go to all the candidates in all the GC constituency in Ghadc Hills. It has been taken as it is in the MLA constituency. So we want that to have a separate electoral roll for the district council election. Since from 1951, there is no bar for the non-tribal to participate in the election. So we hope with the new EC we'll discuss this matter. Because so far, as you know, right from that time from 1951 till today, the district council in Ghadc Hills was led by different party, especially by the Congress and the NPP. So it has to be amended. Ghadc Hills give us mandate. We'll make audit all the money that has been sanctioned and provided by the center. It should be audited properly, and if we find out any person involved, he should be punished.
What about the pending salaries of staff? How will you manage this?
If the people of Ghadc Hills give a mandate for us, then we'll find out the solution how to solve this problem, because it's a long pending problem about the salary. Maybe one of the reason leakage of revenue. That's why I have stated in our manifesto that to improve the collection of revenue. Given chance to Congress to make the EC there in Ghadc Hills Council, and they have given a chance to NPP. So it's my sincere request to the people of Ghadc Hills, if they want to bring the transparency and free corruption EC, give us a chance. As you know, on the 24th March 2019, the cabinet has taken a decision to strengthen this council in the northeastern state. So even there is a discussion to strengthen this council in our Khasi Hills Council, Bynta Hills Council and Ghadc Hills Council also. So I request the people of Ghadc Hills to vote BGP this time, so that we will form an EC which is free from corruption and focus on the development.